All right, looking at some prefixes for your lesson today. Now remember, a prefix is something that comes at the beginning of the word that we add on to a word like un. We talked about mono, things that we add on that give us clues about what the words mean. It can help us figure out new words, which is really helpful if I'm reading a story and I come across a new word. So we're looking at 4 different ones: pre, re, dis, and miss. So pre means before. Okay, so the prefix, like the word prefix, has a prefix that's pre. I know it's very confusing. But think of like prepaid. I got a phone that was prepaid. I'd paid for it before at the beginning, not after I use it. Preview. We can see something before. We can view it before, like a movie comes to the theaters. We can preview it. See just a little bit of it. Pre-order. I can order something before it comes out. Pre-order a game or a book. It's not always that literal. Sometimes it's more just the idea that something's coming at the beginning. But a pre has to do with like before or at the beginning. Re means again, to do something over. Rebuild, I build it again. Rewrite, I have to write it again. Reread, like I tell you to do to text. To read it again, to figure it out, whatever. This is one that means not. There's different prefixes that can mean not. This is one of them. So disagree, to not agree with somebody, we disagree. To disappear means like they didn't appear, they're not there anymore, they're gone. And then disabled, like not able to do something, is what dis means. And then miss is wrongly, like the word misspell. And it's actually very easy to misspell. But I take miss and then I put it on to spell. I spelled it wrong. Misread. Sometimes I misread words. I read it wrong. Misleading. If I was saying something to somebody and I was trying to lead them sort of in the wrong way, I might say something that's misleading to make them think something that's not true. Okay, again, it's not always that literal. Like I can't always just take the word not and put it with the base word, but it can help me figure it out. It's like the negative of that. For your assignment today, I still want you to read them for a minute and write down how many words you get, but then you're picking one word with each prefix and you're defining it. So any of the words on here, pick one that has that prefix. Tell me what it means. Okay? Pre-order, preschool, pre-wash, disapprove. Like just pick one of the words. Tell me what it means. You can look it up. You can write using what you know. You can ask me for help. Lots of ways to get the definition. But note that it's different. You don't have to underline anything for this assignment. All right? Let me know if you have any questions, if you want me to read any words for you. I am more than happy to do that. Good luck.